Hey there! Organizing a family reunion means wrangling dates, dietary needs, hotel rooms, and money from a few dozen people, and it usually falls on one person. Let me walk you through the family reunion and group event coordinator, tab by tab, so that person is not overwhelmed. Start on event setup. Enter the dates, location, head count, and your overall budget, and it feeds everything else. The dashboard shows where things stand, who's confirmed, total costs, money collected, and what's still outstanding. The family roster is your master list. Every attendee, their contact info, ages, dietary needs, and RSVP status, so you always know your real head count. The accommodation tab tracks who's staying where, hotels, rentals, or with family, with check-in dates and costs. The meal coordinator plans every meal of the event, who's cooking or bringing what, and accounts for dietary restrictions so nobody goes hungry. The activity planner maps out the schedule, games, group photos, the big dinner, so the weekend has a shape instead of drifting. The expense tracker logs every cost and, importantly, who paid and who still owes, which is where most reunions get awkward. And travel coordination keeps everyone's arrival details together: flights, drive times, and airport pickups. That's the whole coordinator. Every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets. And it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go plan a reunion everyone actually enjoys. Thanks for watching.